Hey guys, Anthony here with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing overview of the Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional Hybrid Type S. Now, I got this keyboard off of Amazon, and it's a special keyboard because it uses a totally different type of switch. It's not a mechanical switch, it's called a Topre switch, which is made by the company named Topre in Japan. And unlike a mechanical switch keyboard, this doesn't have contacts for the switch. It's using, they call it electrostatic capacitive non-contact switch. But anyway, I heard great reviews about this keyboard or those type of switches. So I picked up the HHKB keyboard off of Amazon, and it's pretty expensive. It's around almost 300 bucks. And before I actually bought this one, I was thinking of getting the Logitech. I think it was the G916. It's a 65% keyboard, and that one is around 230 bucks, guys. And after doing some more research, I wanted to try this one. It's a 60% keyboard, so it's a little less useful for gaming in my opinion. But we're gonna try it out for gaming. I'll do another video, see how you can use it for gaming. But yeah, it's actually meant for programmers, and I got it mostly just for my day-to-day work, and I just want to have a nice keyboard that I can use between my Mac and my PCs. So anyways, guys, here's the box, right? Let's take it out of the plastic so you guys can see it better. And this Happy Hacking keyboard is actually made by Fujitsu Corporation. And what's unique about this keyboard, and another reason why I got this over like a Logitech or something else, is the fact that it's actually, let's see if we can get it in here, made in Japan, guys. That's kind of cool for these days, right? Most keyboards are actually made in China these days, even the super expensive mechanical ones. So this box is really fingerprint, attracts a lot of fingerprints. But yeah, got this one, and I got it in the black with the legends on it. And there's actually 4 different versions. You can get black with the legends, or without the keys, the legends printed on it, so it's all blank. Or you can get it more like the grayish white color. But I decided to get a black just to try it out. And yeah, I mean, here's the box, guys. And this is a professional hybrid. And the one I have is the Type S. Let's see if it says it right here. It doesn't actually say it. Yeah, right here. It's the Type S, right? And they also have just a regular hybrid keyboard. And again, this is charcoal, it's not black. But the only difference between the Type S and the regular hybrid one is the Type S is I guess it stands for silent, so it's a little bit more silent, and I didn't want a really clickly keyboard. Even though people said the regular one doesn't make that much noise, I just wanted a Type S and try it out and let you guys know what I think. So let's open it up. There's no stickers, so it's easy to open. And let's show you guys what's inside. So here it is inside. And again, this is actually a pretty old keyboard, guys, this company. And you can still find the older keyboards, but so just be careful. Make sure you get the new professional hybrid keyboards and not just the regular professional keyboards they have. Those are like 5-6 years old. These are the newer ones. And they also make a classic one that isn't Bluetooth. So all these professional hybrids are Bluetooth capable. And another reason why I decided to get this keyboard versus like a Logitech, or I forgot what else I was searching for. I think it was a Logitech, that one. 200 bucks, right? And it's still USB-C. I mean USB. It doesn't even have USB-C. And this one has USB-C. That's why I got it. And here I want to show you guys basically the three different types of keyboards you can select from right now from Amazon, or you can get it directly from the Happy Hacking Keyboard website. And again, the most basic one is the Professional, Classic, and this is not Bluetooth, it's wired in, right? So it doesn't have that extra extension right here, which for the for the AA batteries. And then you can get the Professional Hybrid, which is basically the non-silent version of this one I got. And then I got the Professional Hybrid Type S. And yeah, what's cool about it, you can get some accessories. I actually ordered the case and the cover and let's see, the wood like palm rest. So I should be getting those, and then I can show you guys. I might have got it already, so yeah, I'll probably look for it. But yeah, guys, here it is, and put that on the side. And so basically, inside you have the keyboard right here. Let's see, before I open the keyboard, let's see what else they have. And again, this keyboard is Mac and PC compatible. It says it's Bluetooth, and it basically tells you like how you can enable the keyboard to log into the computer and turn it on for Mac. So I guess this is the instructions. Professional keyboard. It's all instructions and warranty stuff. So put that on the side. Don't need that. And what's cool is they even give you AA batteries. That's a nice, thoughtful thing they did. So definitely use those. And put that on the side for now. And let's show you guys the main star of the show right here. Here it is, the Happy Hacking Professional Hybrid Type S keyboard. That feels pretty nice, guys. Let's close this. So here is the keyboard, and you can see I got the ones that's not blank. I think it's already pretty hard. That is a 60% keyboard, and I just wanted to, have something to reference it when I need to like use a certain key that's not on the keyboard, like the arrow keys. And what's unique about this Happy Hacking keyboard is they actually moved the control from here to here. They got rid of caps lock, and they say it's because naturally you will always put your hands here, so it's easy. You can use your pinky to hit control. So it might take me some time to get used to that, but I knew that coming in when I ordered this. So here it is, and here's a side profile of it. You can see it has a nice natural curve to it right here. And then here's the side, guys. This is the power button, and Bluetooth, I believe. And again, I don't know why a lot of these, like Logitech, Razer, they're all still using the old USB and not USB-C. So I definitely appreciate the fact that they actually are using USB-C. And here's the bottom of the keyboard. And you can have some rubber feet, which, works pretty well. And you can also change the height. There's three settings actually. So that one, and you can do it even higher if you wanted, or you can just do it all the way low. And one thing to keep in mind is you might need to like switch these dip switches to pair it to like a Mac or a different system. I need to double check on this. I didn't really read it, but yeah, it shouldn't be hard. And I guess it's right here. So they tell you like what to switch if you want to change, the system you're working on. And here's some shortcuts. So I know it might take some getting used to, especially if you have like multiple platforms you're using this on. But it feels solid, guys. It's just plastic. It's just a plastic keyboard, but it feels pretty good in hand. And here's the back of it. So this kind of ruins the aesthetic, but this is basically where you put the batteries. It takes AA's, and you can always use rechargeable batteries too, if you like. But yeah, it's nice that they gave you the regular like regular double A's already. So yeah, this door is not that easy. Okay, there it goes. It goes back in. Yeah, guys, I'm really excited to try this keyboard out. And, you know, I'm gonna use it on my Mac, I'm gonna use it on my PCs, use it on my Windows laptop too, maybe even try on the iPad Air, iPad Pro. Again, this thing is about 300 bucks on Amazon. It's pretty expensive, but everyone that I know that has used this, or the older models, they all say this is the best keyboard they ever had, and they won't trade it for anything else, especially if you're on a Mac. You know how Mac keyboards aren't the best feeling, especially if you're a programmer or a writer or just type a lot like I do. It might take me some time to get used to a 60% keyboard. I never had a 60% keyboard. I had 65% keyboards, full keyboards, but yeah, this will be the first one. The one thing that it doesn't come with is a USB-C cable, which kind of, you know, maybe it's all right. It is, you know, advertised as a Bluetooth keyboard for the most part. So can't really blame them, just to save a little money. And, you know, I got this because I wanted wireless. So that's not really a complaint on their side. One thing I'm wondering is if I had rechargeable AA batteries, would this actually charge them if I plug them in USB-C? I'll do a review later, guys, on it. But yeah, looks pretty nice. Again, the keyboard is really good. And let me show you guys I'll do like a zoom in view with the sound zoomed in to let you guys kind of hear what it sounds like when typing. And I want to say it's not loud, but it's also not totally silent. So I think it's a good compromise. I'll be back and let's show you guys the zoom in. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed that typing ASMR with the Happy Hybrid Keyboard Professional Hybrid Type S. And this is basically the conclusion of this video. You know, I did try it. It's gonna take me some time to get used to it, but it does work on a Mac. I did have to switch the dip switch in the back so that the delete key will work without me having to like press, I believe it was this special diamond delete. I think it was, you know, if you don't switch the dip. You know, it might be a little annoying, but I'm gonna try it out. And also, I did get the accessory kit I ordered from Fujitsu directly. This is the wood palm rest, and it does help a little bit, but you know, maybe unnecessary. It was on sale, guys, so it was maybe like 20 bucks for this, and it came with a plastic cover right here. So I got the bundle, like the bundle kit. Basically, it comes with a plastic cover for the keyboard, right? It comes with the wood palm rest, and it comes in red, walnut, white, and black. I just got black just to match the charcoal. And they also give you a carrying case. Now, I probably won't use this, but it was cheaper just to get it with a carrying case. So it was basically free. If you order these two separately, it would cost you the same if you got it with the bundle. At least when I got it a month ago, or a few weeks ago. But yeah, with the carrying case, you can basically, you know, if you are a hardcore programmer or gamer, and you really do use this for gaming, which I think you can. Again, I need to try it, but guys, these keys do feel really good. It doesn't, it feels a little, I want to say mushy, but not really mushy. And it has that mechanical feel. It's just really different, guys. You just gotta try it. If you guys try mechanical keyboards and the Apple Butterfly keyboards, I want to say this is definitely a step up on top of a Mac keyboard, and it's just a different feeling than a mechanical keyboard like a Cherry MX or even a Brown MX. But it's something you guys have to try, and you might like it, you might not, you might hate it. Right now, I'm kind of torn. I'm not sure, but everyone says give it a week. So if you get this accessory kit, you can put this in here, right? So you can carry this, and then you put this in, right? Put the plastic cover on top of it, and now you got this nice little package, HHKB. So all the keyboard connoisseurs will know that you got something awesome right here, and you can just carry this, maybe tie it to a book bag. It's actually pretty heavy once you have the wood palm rest in it, but it's a nice accessory that I think is cool, especially if you travel a lot or you want to just take this keyboard with you. I'm not sure the plastic's not really necessary too, so you can take that out. And you can also use this case without the wood block. It actually makes it much lighter. But yeah, guys, really like this keyboard so far. Might take some time for me to get used to the, get used to the layout. 60% layout again, guys. But this is a pretty long video already, so I'm just gonna end it here. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the hybrid hacking keyboard, professional hybrid Type S. It's really long, it's really hard to say it, so everyone just calls this an HHKB. Again, this is a Type S. Looks really nice, feels good in the hand, sounds great, typing feel is pretty nice so far. I think this is going to be a winner, guys. But yeah, check the link below for the best price. They do go on sale sometimes, so definitely don't get it if it was like 300 bucks. I think that's what it retails for, like 350, but you can definitely get it for like 280, somewhere around that range. Just check the link below. Again, thanks for checking out the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video. It'll really help the channel. Thanks, guys. I hope you guys are doing well during these times. And happy 2021. Happy Lunar New Year to anyone that's in an Asian country. Yeah, see you guys later, guys. Take care, and see you guys in the next video.